Hello friends, welcome to Beginning Educating. Friends, in this video we will see why to invest in share markets to accelerate our financial growth. So these are the list of topics we are going to discuss in this video. We will see the need to invest and then where one can invest and where do we get more returns if we invest, and in the end conclusion. What is the need to invest and why a person would want to invest? The very basic and fundamental reason why one would like to invest is to make more and more money and more income. We all know the fact that money has become an important and essential thing in our life. Just as we cannot live life without oxygen, we can't live life without money, and we can't get any works done without money in this present day world. So if a person has a family and if he wants his children to get educated in good schools or good colleges, or to get their marriages done, or to build new houses, or to purchase new house, it would be very difficult and would really take a long time to get these things done with the monthly salary he gets, coping with the rising inflation. So he should look for an alternative way of making money, and he should invest in something to make more and more money so that he could create more wealth and get his things done in a short span of time. Besides this, to meet the cost of living and to have a better luxurious life, you should invest in something to make more and more money. And of course, there are many more reasons why a person would like to invest. But the very final goal is to make more and more money so that he can lead a financially secure life. After having seen the need to invest, the very next question is where to invest. So we need to choose a place where we can invest and that best suits our individual risk and return temperament. These are some of the popular places where we can invest. The first one is fixed income securities like bonds. Fixed income securities have very limited risk and the return is paid as interest to the investor based on particular fixed income on particular fixed time period. And the next place is real estate. Real estate deals with buying and selling properties like lands, buildings, etc. etc. And it needs a very large amount of cash, gold and silver. One can choose to invest in gold and silver in the form of jewelry, and this also requires a very large outlay of cash. The next place, share markets. Share markets are places where stocks of publicly listed companies are traded, and these shares are traded through stock exchanges like Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE) and National Stock Exchange (NSE). And the risks here in share markets are very high, and sometimes investors can lose all their capital. But if one invests in a very wise way in best companies, one can reduce the risk of getting losses and one can earn very good returns. Which yielded more returns? Asset classes combined. Asset class is nothing but a place for investing money. So as you can see in the histogram that out of all places, share markets have given more returns and helped beat inflation. Inflation is the increase in price of goods and services. So from the given histogram, we understood the fact that share markets yield more returns and they give more profits than any other place can give. So friends, let's look at the conclusion of our video. Risk and return both go hand in hand, and higher return implies higher risk and lower return implies lower risk. So where there is higher return, there is higher risk, and where there is lower return, there is lower risk. And investment in fixed income is less risky and a good option if you don't want to lose your money and hate getting into more risks. So if you don't like yourself to get into more risks, and if you don't want to lose your money, you can invest in fixed income securities like bonds. And real estate needs very large outlay and it cannot be done with small amounts, because we cannot buy properties like lands, houses, etc. for small amounts, and we cannot sell our properties whenever we want, and we should have to wait until we find a good party. And gold and silver are also better options, but the returns are not very much satisfying. We have seen this already in histogram comparison. And share markets is the best option, and investment in share markets yield very high returns and risk is also high. So friends, we now understood why to invest in share markets, but don't worry that it is very risky. I will make you learn how to reduce the risk and earn more profits, but please do watch this video series to know how to invest in share markets without getting risk but to earn more profits. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, comment it and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Beginning Educating if you want to get updates on our upcoming videos on share market series.